really know how your social media is performing, or are you just posting and hoping for results? What if every follower, every like, and every share could guide your next big decision? Hello, and welcome to BM Infotrade Private Limited, where we transform social media data into meaningful growth. Let's explore our social media insights dashboard. At the top, we get a powerful overview of our key performance indicator. We can see total followers, which represents the strength of our digital community. Right next to it, it is lost follows, helping us understand how many people are leaving so we can improve our content strategy. Then we have total shares, total like. You'll also notice ad ROI. This tells us how much results we are getting compared to that we are spending on promotions. And finally, the follow growth percentage, which indicates whether our page is growing or slowing down over the time. Let's move to the audience behavior. This chart shows followers and total comments based on posting time, morning, afternoon, evening, and night. This chart shows followers by campaign, summer blast, new year promo, festive sales, and brand awareness. Next, we have followers by content type. We can clearly see the performance of like, videos, reels, images, stories. This tells us what kind of content our audience enjoys the most. Next, we have audience segment distributions, which are connecting parents, adults, creators, professionals, and teens, helping us create more personalized and relevant content. These visuals presents follower by post categories such as education, tutorial, product promo, motivation, behind the scenes, announcement, lifestyle. And at the bottom, total hashtags used by fiscal year shows how consistently we are using hashtags and how they contribute to our visibility over time. One of the most powerful features of this dashboard is its interactive filtering system. We can instantly analyze the data by fiscal year, fiscal month, fiscal quarter, campaign name, content type, post category. At BM Info Trade Private Limited, we believe content creates value, data create direction, and together they create digital growth.